Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix or wear Apple Watch band. So if you want to put your Apple Watch band onto your watch, maybe you just got your watch new and now you don't know how to fix the Apple Watch band, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is, you want to turn to the back of the Apple Watch and determine where the digital crown is located. So with that, you can use that to determine where you want to put the Apple Watch band, but that is not necessary as you can always change your Apple Watch digital crown location. Now to put in your Apple Watch band, all you need to do is just come here, then slide in the Apple Watch band just like this. And once you hear a chime, then the Apple Watch band is fixed or is keyed in. Then repeat the same thing on the second Apple Watch band. So just slide it gently. You're gonna hear a chime. So once you hear a chime, that shows the Apple Watch band is now fixed. You can now go ahead and strap your Apple Watch. So that is basically how you can easily fix your Apple Watch band. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.